Hi, this is Stephen Burns at Arrowhead Capital Mortgage, and today we're talking about the pre-qualification process. So what is the pre-qualification process? The pre-qualification process is to see if you are qualified for what you are trying to do. So what we do is we discuss goals, we discuss programs, we discuss what eligibility options that you have and what kind of purchase price you're looking to do, where are you looking to buy, things like that. And so basically it starts off with a phone call. The easiest thing to do is just give me a call. You can give any lender a call and just talk to them about what your goals are, what you're looking to do. We discuss income, we discuss assets, we discuss credit, we discuss all your goals, so on and so forth. And then from there, once you do the phone call, you start what we call the pre-approval process. And that's where we get documentation such as bank statements, pay stub, taxes, review credit, so on and so forth. Make sure that everything looks good from what we talked about. We're actually verifying all the pieces of the puzzle. If everything looks good, then we present to you what your options are. If there's different programs that might fit your needs, there might be better to go 5% down conventional rather than 3.5% down FHA, because you have both options. And so those are things that we talk about. We present that to you, and we issue a pre-approval letter to your real estate agents. That way you can go out and start making offers on homes, and hopefully you get an accepted offer.